we're back at the Sisters Waterfall. Some serious hiking. Which way do you think we go? Another little piece of it. That looks a little too shallow.
Bro, there's that?
My name's Billy, this is Sierra, and our pup Jetty. This is our home. Her name is Adrenaline. We decided normal lifestyle isn't quite right for us, so we've been living an unconventional but fulfilling life of challenge and adventure. Be sure to subscribe below and hop on board. Alright, we're back at the Sisters Waterfall. If you guys are always with us, you saw that we came here with our friend Shelby a week or two ago. And now we're back here with my friend Catherine. We had Jetty last time we were here with Shelby, so we couldn't go all the way up to the top because if you hike all the way to the top of the waterfalls, the only way to get down is to jump down each one.
Like
so
through pools.
Yeah, like through some big jumps and pools. Yeah, Jetty would not have liked that. So now we're back doing it all again.
And we're ready.
We're going all the way to the top this time. Really cool property that we walked through to get down to this waterfall. It's like all farm. Almost fell. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Oh yeah. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could feel the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night for sorrow. A little stream, almost there. Well, almost to the bottom too. And then we gotta go up to the other parts that we missed before.
God.
What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
Alright, so this is the part we messed up last time. And granted, we didn't know that you can only get down by jumping from waterfall to waterfall, but anyway, we still tried to get up. But we went like down this trail and it turned really sketchy, like steep cliff right on the edge of the waterfall. Just super sketchy, even without a dog. So that was our mistake. But this is the correct trail, I think, going up that way. And then these are the last two waterfalls. One up there, one right there. You ready? Pretty sure, but not sure.
We know it wasn't the way we went last time.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Still really steep. Some serious hiking. Mountain climbing. Wow, there it is, the bottom. Another little piece of it. We're getting there. Which way, that way or that way? Which way do you think we go? Yeah, but it looks like it goes down. All right, we're going this way. We may have made it to the top. Not quite sure yet. I think we'll see in a second.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
We gotta jump. Should we keep going?
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Whoa. That would have been bad.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
I think we're pretty much at the top of like the waterfall part. It's like just kind of a little stream up here.
But then it turns into pools. and then it turns into jumps. So let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, going down now. That looks a little too shallow. I see the rocks. Here we go. Careful, Kat. We all made it so far. I think we should jump, but like shallow, like cannonball type jump. Yeah, it's deep right here. Just try to jump as far as you can.
Okay, that's what, 3 sisters? The 4 to go? I'll just go like this. Just jump at me, go crazy to jump. Bro, there's that? Look at that! This is crazy!
Be careful.
I'm a little nervous! Dude, that is so much.
Are you good? Just go. Just go. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't think about anything, just go. Just don't even think about anything. Guess it's my turn. Oh my god. Oh, this sucks. Alright, I'm going. Woo! There we go. Ah!
2 hours later.
That was really high.
So, who's braver out of the two of you? Catherine is the winner.
that was by far the highest, right?
How was your meditation?
Oh, really bad. Holy smokes, man.
Every movement you made, I like fell.
Whew. That was exhilarating. This one's gonna be easy. Another successful day at Seven Sisters Waterfalls.
I love jumping off things.
We're heading out. Dang it. She's used to my tricks. Bonjour.
Comment allez-vous? Voulez-vous parler français? Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community offering thousands of different classes in tons of different subjects.
So as you guys know, we were traveling through some French countries in the Caribbean, and the problem is we spoke zero French. We've been trying the best we can to learn French, and with the help of Skillshare, it's been making it pretty easy to learn on the go in the comfort of our own boat.
We are currently learning French with the help of my first French lesson. We have learned how to say hello, how are you, order some coffee, croissants.
Count a little bit. Do. Croissant, s'il vous plaît. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Skillshare is super affordable. It's less than $10 a month when you sign up for an annual membership.
If you guys are interested in signing up, you can click the link in the description and you will get 2 free months of premium
Skillshare for free to try out. So see if you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, leave us a comment below and we'll see you soon.
Make sure you're subscribed and au revoir!
Au revoir.